Fragrance Canada Review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. When you're shopping for perfumes online, you want value and authenticity, and for the site Entity Brand, Fragrance Canada, 0, the reviews suggest you mostly get both. But there are details to unpack. Here's what reviewers say. On Trustpilot, the site has many reviews praising competitive pricing and legitimacy, always the best prices. 100% authentic is a common line. Site the site claims you can save up to 80% on fragrances compared to retail. So what you get for your money: a wide range of designer fragrances, likely better prices than many local stores, and quick shipping per many reviews. What you give up or need to watch: even in positive reviews, some customers mention slower shipping or that the price, while good, might still not be the absolute lowest. One noted, prices are a bit steep, but the product came packaged well. If you're buying in India or from outside Canada, convert currency carefully, check shipping and customs duties, and compare local Indian e-commerce stores as well as international shipping costs. Example: if a 100ml bottle is much cheaper in Canada, but shipping plus import duties make it less attractive, then the real savings shrink. Here's how to maximize value with Fragrance Canada. 1. Identify the exact fragrance you want. Check its usual retail price in India. 2. Check Fragrance Canada's listed price in CAD. Convert to INR including shipping and duties. 3. Look for any promo codes or bundle offers on the site, they often run sales. 4. Inspect product on arrival, packaging, authenticity, seals, condition. In conclusion, Fragrance Canada appears to offer good value, especially if you're looking for premium brands at discounts. The surprising truth: even discount sites may still cost more than local deals when you factor in shipping imports, so compare carefully. Thanks for watching. If this review helped you, subscribe and stay tuned for more insight into online shopping across borders.